Okay, if you are a tutor and you want to guide someone in order to become a better copywriter, or if you are a tutor for someone for general things like teaching them the knowledge and all the other stuff, I would advise you to get an agreement. I'm not saying you should get my agreement or whatever. In the link description, you'll find a link to the agreement that you can order and also use. You can use as a template, so when you talk with clients, you can use that in order to make sure you have an agreement with them. The thing is, I want to be honest with you. It doesn't matter as long as you have a good agreement, and if you have everything in the agreement, you will be fine. And most time, if you look online, you see a lot of agreement, a lot of things, people selling you stuff. Yeah, sometimes it can be good, sometimes it cannot be good. I'm not saying you should trust me. It's up to you. But what I'm saying is this: make sure you have an agreement, and make sure you put everything in an agreement that you need. You're thinking about, okay, I do not know what I need right now. No, you don't. But most time in a template, when you create a template, most time you have everything that you need, and sometimes you need more. The reason I'm saying this is because a lot of things can happen, and if you have an agreement, you can prevent those kind of things. So in the description, you'll find a link to an agreement. Download it or whatever you want. And if you have a question about it, go on Discord, and then go on the channel, ask me a question directly, and I will answer it as soon as possible. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. Seriously, it's free. Just press the subscribe button. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one.